Hello everyone. Today a few words on matter of life. Uh, this issue, the question of life and existence, was a matter of religion. Religion explains the gravity of life as a result of God and his influence on us. Nevertheless, in 20th century, scientists managed to get conditions of primary Earth, and you can see the scheme of very interesting Miller-Urey experiment. These scientists managed to achieve circumstances of characteristic of the very early Earth, and as a result, they received amino acids. It was possible because of synthesis by means of sparks in a mixture of water, methane, ammonia, and hydrogenium. And as a result, after the few days, the amino acid was the final product of such reaction. Galileo Galilei, the great Italian astronomer, found his place in history because of his amazing instrument, a telescope, and through this instrument he managed to find the largest moons of Jupiter. You can see very interesting scheme from his scheme when Galileo put Jupiter and dots. These are dots highlight 4 moons of Jupiter. And you can see the product of his discovery. Jupiter system, it's amazing because Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. It's a gas giant, and you see 4 moons: Io, Europa, Ganymedes, Callisto. These moons are different words, and we focus on Europa. Europa is amazing because it's a globe covered by ice, and according to scientific data, scientific methods, below this surface we can expect the ocean. The depth of this ocean is probably 100 kilometers. 100 kilometers. So the technical challenge to send their submarine is enormous, because the potential apparatus must be poor, must be devoid of any organism from Earth, and must be resilient because of the enormous pressure. So it's a great challenge to send to Europa that element, that mechanism. But it's a sign of optimism. Why? Because of so-called hydrothermal vents. These structures are on the bottom of the oceans of Earth, and these structures, you can see very multicolor elements. These structures are very amazing because they are covered by bacteria. They are the extrophiles and extratherm organisms, so they can survive in very hot temperature. So these points, these structures are probably the first points of life in history of life of Earth. So it's a great question, great issue, how to deal with the potential life of Europa, and how to do it. Thank you a lot. I hope we will see soon. We'll hear soon. And take care. Thank you.